Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is out of the 2013 Chevy Volt. You do not need any tools, but you do need a 2032 battery, and you can get these off Amazon. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. So what you want to do is take your thumb and push that back cover off. Then here, just put your thumbnail right here, pop that old battery out, and your new battery goes in positive side facing up, like so. Make sure it's seated under this side and this side. Flip this back on, and you're good to go. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.